What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that like button because it really helps the channel out a lot. Today we're going to be talking about Stratasys, SSYS. I do have a position in Stratasys. As always, none of this is financial advice. This is just me sharing my ideas and my research with you guys. It's super important to make sure that you do your own research and come to your own conclusions. So I've built a pretty decent position in Stratasys. I keep averaging down because the stock continues to fall, but I do think that it's going to turn around in my opinion. I was interested in this stock at $19 and I ended up starting my position a few weeks ago just under that. Today the stock sits at $16.27. The short interest is pretty high, which is interesting to me. Obviously 3D printing has disappointed a lot of investors in the past years, but in my opinion it's time to go long on 3D printing. Companies are innovating more now than ever, and 3D printing has the ability to disrupt supply chains and make manufacturing a lot more efficient, saving time and money. Now, Stratasys specifically is the biggest player in this industry. They're making revenue every quarter, and their balance sheet is fortified. So I don't think the shorts see that a turnaround is a strong possibility for this company. So whenever I make an investment in some type of new technology, I ask a lot of people I know. And a lot of people don't even have their mind on 3D printing. I think Stratasys is a stock that I can 2x to 4x in the next 3 to 5 years, give or take. So the news for today is that Stratasys partnered with Google. So Stratasys owns Makerbot, and Makerbot is basically a cloud program with 3D printers as well that allows teachers and students to collaborate on 3D printing ideas. Now that it integrates directly with Google for Education, teachers and students can share things directly to Google Classroom. Here's what the Makerbot CEO said. As a Google for Education partner, we are making it easier for teachers and students to join the Makerbot ecosystem and utilize the tools and resources we have available. We remain committed to supporting 3D printing education and will continue to develop solutions that will advance the possibilities of learning and innovation. So this is great news that they're partnering with Google. Google is a huge company that is at the forefront of innovation and technology. So if Google sees the value in 3D printing, maybe investors should too. That's it for this video. Thanks everyone for watching. It's currently 7:41 a.m. waiting for the market to open, seeing what happens. I want to know what you guys think about Stratasys. Please comment down below.